I'm going to hold up some items and I want you to tell me what they are.
A water bottle, what do you drink out of? A plate, what do you have to put your food on? A cup, what do you drink out of? A straw, what do you slip out of? A plastic bag, what do you keep your groceries in?
Very good. We'll come back to these items soon. Year 4, today we are going to be looking at physical properties. Who knows what a physical property is?
Physical property is the look of something.
Very good, Tim. Properties that describe the look or feel of a substance, which is something such as a colour, hardness, density, texture and phase, are called physical properties. Today we are going to be looking at a specific material, plastic. I just showed you a number of plastic items. You explained the use of these objects, but did you ever think they were plastic?
No, I didn't until you told me.
If you were to touch these items, they all feel the same, don't they? They have that shiny plastic texture. And another thing they all have is flexibility. Do you know what flexibility is?
It's when you can move something out of its original position.
Very good, Tim. All of these objects are flexible because plastic has a property where you can move it out of its original shape. Can you see how each of these objects come in a specific shape? Do you think that if these materials were bent, they would change shape?
Yeah, they would.
Let's see what happens when I use my hand to bend this item. This shows that the physical properties of this material can change when external conditions such as pressure change occurs. I'm able to change the appearance of these materials that are plastic by using the force of my hands to bend it in a different shape. Do you think that I can change these items back to its original shape?
No, I don't.
Why do you think this?
Because it's plastic. Well, once you change it out of its original shape, it won't be able to change back.
Let's see what happens when I change this item back to its original shape. The reason for the plastic object being able to change back to its original shape is because of the behaviour of the component particles. This means that plastic have been able to restore their shape because they are composed of long particles that have interparticle bonds. This means that in these materials there are bonds weak enough to allow the particles to slide over each other or separate when under stress, such as getting bent, but when strong enough to restore back to their shape when they stop bending them. Today we are going to do an experiment changing different shapes of different materials of plastics. You need to be careful when you are changing these shapes as you don't hurt yourself. It looks like you have finished changing the material shapes. How did you go?
Good, they all restored back to their original shape.
So can you see now that all of these items are plastic and they all have a flexible property?
When I first thought about it, I didn't think they'd be able to. But now when I see a plastic object, I know I'll be able to bend it. And I'm interested to see what other objects they'll be able to have the same component.
Very good.